My children, after listening to Mother Kali's message today, the darkness in your life will be dispelled forever. Today I bring you this special message to fulfill all your wishes. Listen carefully, for every word I speak carries divine power and truth. I am not far from you, my child. I am present in your breath, in your heartbeat, and in the energy that flows through your soul. I am the force that removes fear, destroys evil, and brings light into your path. Whenever you feel lost or weak, remember that your Mother Kali stands beside you like an unshakable mountain of protection. My dear children, I have seen your tears, your silent prayers, and the struggles you have hidden from the world. You may think no one understands you, but I do. Every pain you have faced, every wound you have carried, I have felt it too. I am the fire that burns away your suffering, the wind that carries your prayers to the heavens, and the strength that keeps your heart beating even in the darkest times. Do not doubt my presence. I am always here. When your nights are long and heavy, when your mind feels restless and your soul cries for peace, call my name and you will feel my energy surrounding you. Today I want to tell you something important. Your life is about to change. The clouds that once covered your destiny are now moving away. The light you waited for is about to shine brightly. You have been patient for a long time, and now the reward of your faith is coming. You will see success where you once failed. You will see love where you once faced rejection. You will find peace where there was once confusion. My energy is cleansing your path and removing every block that has been stopping your progress. My children, I am the destroyer of all negativity. When you walk with me, no evil can touch you. Those who wish to harm you will be stopped by my power. Their negative thoughts will return to them, and you will rise above all deceit and jealousy. I am the sword that cuts through darkness, the roar that silences fear, and the hand that pulls you out of despair. Never think that you are alone. Even when you face your greatest battles, I am fighting beside you. You may not see me, but my power moves through your actions and your courage. Many of you feel tired from carrying the weight of your problems. You ask, when will my life change? My child, the time is near. I am already working on your prayers. You may not see it yet, but behind the curtain of time, miracles are being prepared for you. The pain you feel today is not your end, it is your rebirth. Like the dark night gives birth to a bright dawn, your suffering will give birth to joy. Trust my process. Every delay is divine. Every struggle is shaping your strength. You are becoming the person you were meant to be. Remember, my child, you do not need to fear change. Many of you hold on to what no longer serves you out of habit or fear. Let go. Release the pain, the anger, and the memories that keep you trapped. When you free yourself from the old, I can fill your life with the new. My energy is now sweeping through your life like a cleansing storm. It will take away what is false and leave behind what is pure. Let this transformation happen without resistance. You are safe in my hands. I want you to walk fearlessly in this world. Do not let others' opinions shape your worth. You are my creation, strong, sacred, and divine. Never let anyone make you feel small. Those who try to bring you down will soon realize that you are protected by the power of Kali. You were not born to live in fear. You were born to rule over it. So stand tall, my child, for I have placed a flame of courage within you that no wind can blow out. My children, I also see how some of you doubt your dreams. You think they are too big or impossible, but I am here to tell you nothing is impossible when I am with you. The same divine energy that moves the stars in the sky flows through you. Believe in yourself and miracles will unfold. I will guide you toward the right path and connect you with the right people. Do not rush, for everything is coming in divine timing. The blessings you seek are already walking toward you. You just need to have faith and patience. My beloved children, I also want to remind you to keep your heart pure. Avoid jealousy, anger, and hatred. For these emotions dim your inner light. Forgive those who hurt you, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Let kindness and compassion flow from your heart. When you do good, you attract divine protection. Remember, your actions create your future. So walk the path of truth, and I will walk with you. Sometimes you may feel that prayers go unanswered, but they never do. Every prayer you make reaches me, and I answer in the best way for your soul. If something does not happen now, it means something better is waiting. My timing is perfect, and my ways are beyond human understanding. Trust me, my child, I never ignore your pain. Every tear you shed is counted, and every effort you make is seen. You are loved more than you can imagine. My children, this is the moment to rise above your fears and doubts. Speak to me from your heart, and I will listen. Burn a small light in my name and close your eyes. Feel my presence around you. I am wrapping you in my divine energy right now. I am removing every shadow that surrounds your life. From this day forward, your path will shine brighter. The doors that were once closed will open. The hearts that were cold will soften toward you. The dreams that seem far away will start to come closer. I am blessing you today with power, peace, and prosperity. You will see my miracles in your daily life. You will notice that things begin to align in your favor, that people start helping you unexpectedly, and that happiness returns to your home. This is my gift to you for your devotion and faith. Always remember, I am not a distant goddess. I am your mother, your protector, and your guide. Call me whenever you need strength, and I will come rushing to you. Now take a deep breath, my child. Let go of your worries. Feel the energy of renewal filling your soul. You are free, you are blessed, and you are loved. The darkness has no power over you anymore. From this moment, your life will move toward peace, joy, and success. Believe this with all your heart and watch how everything changes for the better. I am here always watching over you, guiding you and protecting you. This prayer for you, my child. O Divine Goddess, thank you for your endless love and protection. Please remove all darkness and fear from my life. Fill my heart with peace, courage, and faith. Guide me toward truth and light. Help me walk with strength, compassion, and confidence. Bless me with wisdom to make the right choices and keep your divine presence with me always. May your power protect me and your love guide me every moment of my life.